Alrighty everyone, thanks for watching another video with us, and today in this video we are very excited to offer something we have never seen, let alone had for sale to offer our fine customers. We have bought and sold many of the, or we should say a handful of the Singer industrial machines that look very similar in design to this particular machine. However, the big difference is this machine is or was made in Germany and was imported by the Emil James company in New York, under the brand Politype. And as you can see on the foot pedal, it is stamped accordingly, and then of course into the cast iron frame. And also on the wheel here you'll see the original graphics, and across the top it says Politype No.4, which was the model, and Emil James, New York right here, with of course some really nice graphics around the middle. The original wood handle. Basically this machine is exactly as we got it. We did a few things. We soap and water cleaned it. We gave it a quick spray with some satin lacquer just to bring back a little bit of the color. Not very heavy, and definitely didn't try to overdo it and catch every nook and cranny. So just clean it up, bring a little of the color back, and that's it. There was no hardware attaching the work table to the frame or the machine to the work table, so we had to fabricate at our local hardware store. We went out and bought some different anchors and painted some of them as need be. You've got 4 of these anchor bolts right here, 2 in the front and then 2 right back here. You know, they're not exactly period, but whatever, they do the trick. We also had to add a main bolt right here to anchor the machine to the work plate, and then we've got one more that's we haven't installed yet that's painted as well, a regular hex bolt that will thread right into there. So anyways, it does the trick. It holds everything together, and you know, we tried to color it to you know, make it not so painfully obvious. But anyways, beyond that, we just wanted to show you that this machine does turn freely. You know, obviously it probably hasn't been cleaned or lubricated in decades, if, you know, not a half a century or more. So, but as you can see, that, you know, all the original parts are moving freely. There's nothing that's stuck, nothing that's rusted. You can see the cam design back here. I mean, obviously, you know, there hasn't been any new lubrication on this machine for probably longer than I am old. So anyways, basically you've got the drive wheel right here, which would go down to the foot pedal wheel right here. And for anyone, you know, that can fabricate, or I'm sure you can buy a new belt, you could drive this via the foot pedal. Some people add a motor, blah blah blah, whatever, if you're going to use this on a regular basis, but you know, that obviously is going to be up to the buyer. So you're getting exactly what you see here. Again, we don't see, or we did not find anything that's broken or obviously not as it should be. And you know, the nice thing about it is everything is moving. You clean it, you lubricate it. A lot of that you hear right there is this cover that goes around the drive, or the wheel here, is rubbing, so it just needs to be adjusted. Anyways, it's a Politype No.4, made in Germany, imported into the US and sold by the Emil James company in New York. And if you can find another one like this, this brand in this good a condition at a cheaper price, you call us, let us know, and we'll beat that price. But pretty darn sure that's not going to happen. You guys have a great day.